Grass all in my feet, sun beaming on my shoulders. I look out to the ocean, I sit and smell the roses. I've been at my low, sipping all on this potion, running along the coast and hiding deep in the forest.
I just want a house by the lakeside, run away soon as I get the fame, ride my soul drift, but it more like hang glide. Got a lot of demons, but I threw them to the wayside. I smile hard like I ain't seen a hard day's work, and I know that it could be way worse, like I'ma never die. And I don't even gotta take perks so that I can feel like I can take birth, man, I don't even try. Lately I've been out of my mind, never interested in the time spent years in the dark, just enough to make a nigga feel blind. Niggas still trying to take my shine, but it be all love until somebody try to get tough. Gotta tell them to remember where I'm from, in a cold rain city where the kids gotta act grown up. I'm in Arizona raising my sons, finna leave it up.
Grass all in my feet, sun beaming on my shoulders. I look out to the ocean, I sit and smell the roses. I've been at my low, sipping all on this potion, running along the coast and hiding deep in the forest.
What day is it? I've been in my own world, steady taking trips to new rounds while the whole world taking shifts, just so they could pay bills, smoking ate the piff. We of course in the all black 4-door, all smiles cause we ducking all laws. We just chilling on the shore, wind blowing, feeling like I'm gon' soar. The forgotten that a nigga still poor, cause I'm feeling tight wrist. I'm high up off the way that I live, man, I used to dream of days like this, cause I'm feeling so good. And I ain't even scared of my death, meditate on every one of my breaths. I'm just on another plane, and I ain't even talking about jets. If you waiting on me, know that my left but a couple years back, but I put up every one of my racks, put my soul in every one of my tats, but you know it though.
Grass all in my feet, sun beaming on my shoulders. I look out to the ocean, I sit and smell the roses. I've been at my low, sipping all on this potion, running along the coast and hiding deep in the forest.
Been in dark places, contract sales with the snakes, kid. All I want is peace, no love, nice beach, no drugs. Yeah, I'm cold, no hugs, nigga. I know that I ain't shit. I could be the terrorist you looking for, ISIS. Grab a gat and run up in a liquor store. Hijack planes, can't hide that pain. Gotta let this shit loose till they think you insane. Niggas think I'm insane, but you don't even wanna fucking know. With my heart on every one of my clothes, so they know that I'm real. And that's the kind of life that I chose. Kept a G in every sentence I wrote. Look me in my eyes, telling you this what you gon' learn. Hear you talking, I don't trust your words, so I'm taking my leave to the sunny place of my dreams, on a riverboat floating downstream. Try to picture that.
Grass all in my feet, sun beaming on my shoulders. I look out to the ocean, I sit and smell the roses. I've been at my low, sipping all on this potion, running along the coast and hiding deep in the forest.
It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day.
They gon' laugh, they cool now, but it ain't gon' last. And I came up from the dump on the sideline slump, so I don't let a day go past that. I don't shine my light, sign my name, window seat when I'm on my flight. Show y'all love when I'm on my stage, cause I've been struggling all my life. I was in the room on the cold long nights, thinking of a way that I'ma end this right here, right now. In the dark blue room with the writing on the wall, I'ma end this fight. Say goodbye to the evil, the judgments and the fake people. In a fucked up world where there ain't shit real and you feel like no one needs you, I know.
It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day.
All I've been through, I can never hold your past against you. It seems complex, but life is simple. Everybody come with blights and issues, and that's the fun, that's the fun. Funny how you think you the only one and nobody perfect. Are they worth it? If you say yes, then they call that love and we grow together. Stormy weather, snow, rain, shine, we back in better. And live this life like a long adventure, even if it do not last forever. Let's go far away, somewhere we can see the stars in space. Do some shit we never done, we'll go wherever you want.
It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day.
No, I don't worry about nothing, I'm living life. If I wasn't, I'd be inside of a coffin. And that's why I put my all in. I spend my days in the country, summertime in New York. And it float on top of a current, that's how we go. New day, better me, clean slate. Get your dreams, see the world, do good. Make it big in Hollywood. Keep on your path, keep doing your thing. Everything you do, make sure that you do it your way.
It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day. It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a sunny day, it's a sunny day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day.
Everybody tryna guess I'm high full of bees. Ain't nobody tryna get stung. Grew up in the rags, we just trying not to get run. You know how I go. Live my life, no bark, cause a nigga just bite. Nigga, I don't really care, I don't wanna fight. I just wanna hit the waves, catching non-stop flights. Give a fuck about hate, only hate war. In my own world where I got my own laws. On the west coast, waking up like dawn. You give a man the world, he gon' only want more. He gon' only want
money on trees. You feel that breeze, you feel that whoa, whoa, whoa. That feeling there, I call that whoa, whoa, whoa. That ocean calling my name, that water calling my name. Should I go, should I stay, I just don't know.
Chillin' in the barrio with an old soul, kicking back, playing Mario. Mad laid up, feeling mad bait up. Mommy hold me down, acting mad day one. Airbnb, only app that I frequent. Baby girl, just my type for the weekend. Kisses on the cheek when I leave in the Uber. California girl says she buy me a juicer. Love like this ain't nothing I'm used to. Trust no bitch, but baby, me gusta. Real nigga found a real one in the city of the angels. Made me feel something to the ankles, That's life, fuck around and make a good woman my wife. Call her from the airport, tell her good night. Never leave a good thing if it feel right, like got me asking if it's real life, like she can make a nigga hell right, say what? If it's gon' be, then it's gon' be. I ain't tryna gauge that dove, I'ma let her be free.
Money on trees, you feel that breeze, you feel that whoa, whoa, whoa. That feeling there, I call that whoa, whoa, whoa. That ocean calling my name, that water calling my name. Should I go, should I stay, I just don't know. Yeah, I just don't know.
Yeah, I'm in the hood, and I'm feeling good, and I'm getting nice, and when it's over ice, you know what I'm on. I be hella low, I don't gotta flex, I don't gotta drive. Yeah, I'm on the way to check my homie in the fort. Yeah, I got the bag, put in hella work. Bubbles in the glass, Henny in the cup, baddie on the front porch. I've been out of town and I'm moving fast, getting out of hand and I'm buying land. Police at the front door. From Clinton Hill with love, run up on you in the sun. Hope you do not let these new folks fool you. Ay, you could get it if you want. Do not come here with the drama. I can't really save you from my homies if they choose. Pour the drink, roll it up, make it toast, light it up. Pour the drink, roll it up, make it toast, light it up. It's a vibe, you could dance if you want to. Put your hands high up in the air if you want to. Everybody get a little too drunk sometimes. I ain't finna look at you like I know what you gon' do. Ay, it's a vibe, you could dance if you want to. Put your hands high up in the air if you want to. Fuck a hater, you could be a fan if you want to. Someone looking at you from the side, what you gon' do? Ay. My son chillin' whenever I'm playing Coltrane. Sunday in the kitchen reminded me of the old days. Sitting by the TV, climbing aboard the Soul Train. Used to want the Jordan 11s and the gold chain. 5 layers of sweaters whenever snow came. Mama working hard and Papa getting the slow gains. Ain't a part of my history that I don't claim. Only had bread in the cupboard, but it was whole grain. Drug dealing, appealing when you ain't got shit. Niggas getting fresh, so fuck it, you try and cop shit. Used to rock fake uptowns, I got uptown. Back room, ling ling showing me where the stock is. A lot of people on the hustle for a better day. Some niggas is waiting to catch a better wave. Some people just dig riding to get a name. I be flying over the Rocky Mountains